Hello and welcome. Another reversing camera, another car. Today we have Skoda Yeti and we just completed the original Skoda reversing camera. So let me show you the installed product now. The grip is sitting here. So obviously you can still open the boot to open the tailgate as well. You've got the lens just sitting here nicely, and it comes down and looks at the back of the car. And let me show you how it performs. Right, I've got the engine running and the system is on, as you can see. So let me select the reverse gear now, and there you go. The reversing camera comes up straight away automatically when selecting the reversing gear. As you can see straight away in the corner, you've got a car graphical image. The car came with the factory fitted rear sensors, so the overlay comes up and works in conjunction with the camera, so you've got both that and the camera at the same time. And here we go, you can see the rear bumper, the edge of it. You can see the guidelines. These are the fixed guidelines, they do not move with the steering wheel. And itself, have a look at the quality of the rear view. The picture is really good, really sharp. Yeah, very helpful in the car, especially in the Yeti, where the end through the window you can't really see where the rear bumper is, so hard to judge. So having this is very helpful. As always, all installed to the factory specification with 3 years warranty. For more information, go to the links in the description. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.